making gravy right now, all right? So let's come right over here. And I got my gravy. We just done some bacon. I'm gonna pour me some of this bacon grease in here. Now let me show you the pan real quick. Show you how much is in there. Nothing, hardly nothing in there. This pan's a little bit warm. Let me show you how warm. See there? It sizzles a little bit. We're gonna pour some bacon grease in there, about that much. Some people like to ask me, how much is that? Well, it's about that much, can't you tell? Right there. All right, so we get that out of the way. Now let's roll it around in here and just check and see how much we got in the pan. That's okay. We just gonna make a little bit of gravy. You're gonna make a whole lot of gravy, then you put a whole lot of grease in there, all right? And this is one of them things you just kind of learn how to do. We're gonna put a heaping tablespoon like that, see there? And we're gonna grab us another one like that, see that right there? Yeah, that's about enough right there. We're gonna get this out of the way, yeah. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna let this brown up some right here. Take up that bacon grease and all. Yeah, now I'll tell you, it's gonna be good stuff right here. Now I'm gonna remove a little of this because I don't like how that's looking. And you can do that. You can take a little out, put a little in. We're gonna cut it up here, get it going real good. It's a little dry, I like it a little more, see, keep a little grease there. That's right, you just fix it like you want it. Yeah, buddy, you want this to kind of brown up now. That's what we're doing now. There ain't nothing fancy or secret about this. What we're doing is we browning this gravy. I like brown gravy in the morning. If you want it white, then you just kind of mix it around like this and then go ahead and get your milk in there right away. But you know, I kind of like it a little bit brown. So I'm gonna let this brown up a little bit. We're not gonna let it burn, but we're gonna make this fast, okay? We're gonna make it really fast. See how that's doing right there? And that bacon grease in there. Now you can use sausage grease if you want to. That's fine. Makes good gravy. In fact, might make the best gravy. I don't know. But I do know this. Bacon greased in a cast iron skillet sure makes your food happy. And I like to have happy food, don't you? It's starting to brown up real good now. Now it's starting to look a little brown in spots. I'm gonna turn this pan. Don't want any hot spots. There we go. Oh yeah. Now that's starting to look good. That little paste there, that's what you want it to look like. Just that little bit of paste look. All right, I'm gonna take me some of my milk here. I'm gonna pour in there. Yep, there it is. We're gonna let this work a minute. Now I'm not scrubbing this pan. I'm using that rounded side of that spoon, and I'm just moving it. That's all I'm doing. I'm not scraping. Don't scrape your pan. Just moving it around a little bit. I want it to come to a good hard boil here. Cut that fire up on high. Yeah, boy. We're gonna let this come up to a boil. You have to judge how thick it is. Letting it boil up here. I think I'm going to use a little bit more milk. Just thin it down and see if it's too thick on you. That's what you can do. You just pour a little milk on it, and then this is the way you stir it. Stir it around this way. That's the only way you can stir it. Don't stir it this way and don't stir it this way. It won't be gravy. It'll be a mess. You just gotta stir it around like this. Boy, I wish this was smell-o-vision, because this stuff is smelling so good. Now, while you're waiting on it to thicken up, what you can do, you can put a little salt, little salt. Just a little. Don't put too much, okay? Just a little bit of salt in there, and then a whole lot of pepper. See that? We like it peppery. You have to watch how it pours off that spoon. Watch how it pours off, and you can see that it's getting thick. See, it almost streams right back to the pan. Oh, look at that! Now I'm telling you, that gravy right there is just about perfect. So then, what you do is you get that. You got your bowl here handy. You got your 2 pot holders here, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do it right here, so y'all can just see it. and see it real pretty like. Whoa, yeah, boy. Woo, yes, sirree. That there is some good old gravy. You take some bacon or some sausage and some biscuits and put that over a biscuit right there, and I'm telling you what, that's some kind of good. Well, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a good day. Love you. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all, don't forget to mash the subscribe and the like button. I'd appreciate it. And tell all your friends to watch Cooking with Coot. I'll teach them how to make their food happy.